Namaste guys. In this video, we are going to learn how to make custom area and select that custom area for the simulation purposes. Let's try to understand what I mean. As you can see, I got this rectangular shaped rod and I draw a circle. Let's say I want to do a simulation and let's try first some material here. Alloy steel apply, close and let's fix this face. Okay, now what I want to apply force where on this circle area. Right now you can see it is selecting the whole surface. I don't want to select it. I just want to select the circle area. So what I can do, I draw the circle. Now what most beginner people will do, they will what they will do, they will create a extrude cut like this. uh, but this is not the correct approach, because creating extrude cut in real life, it means that you are removing some materials and it will not give the desired result as per your requirement. Let's say I have curves or more complex shapes. So what is the correct approach here? Okay, let's say you can see I selected this face and this face, but these are not extrude cut. This is a extrude cut. You can see cut extrude. So how can I make curve like this so that I can do the simulation? So let's delete them. Delete the sketch as well. So first thing that you have to do is select the face on which you basically want to make your custom area. So I will go to this sketch, click on sketch. Now let's select the spline because I want to make a random area on which I want to do the simulation. Let's say this one and escape and exit the sketch mode. Now what I will do, go to the features, click on curves, click on split line. It automatically select the sketch and click on the surface. Click OK. Now what will happen? My curve now split the line and I can select that custom area. This is a great help for you. For example, you have some kind of load that has this shape like this, let's say horseshoes or something like that. So in that way, you can get the correct result for your simulation, and that is the important thing. Now all you have to do is go to the simulation and click on here. Sorry, oh, my simulation is already here. Now what I will do, I will click on external loads, force. I can easily select this area and apply the load as per my requirement. Let's say 100 Newton. Click OK and click on run this study. So in that way, I got the results. So I hope you guys learned something from this video, and I really want to thanks two of my members, that is Hubert Klosa and Cosmos Design X. Thank you very much for being a member of my YouTube channel. You don't know how much I really appreciate because of your help. Really thankful. Thank you guys. That's for all, and thanks for watching. Have a great day. Namaste.